Introducing the Nuie brushed brass round thermostatic bar valve and kit, the perfect combination of luxury and functionality for your showering experience, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Immerse yourself with its high-quality brushed brass finish, adding a hint of refinement to your bathroom decor. With its thermostatically controlled features, you can bid farewell to sudden temperature fluctuations. Enjoy a soothing and consistent shower experience every time, all while ensuring utmost safety for you and your loved ones. Switch effortlessly between the overhead or handset flow, allowing you to customize your showering preference to match your mood. Rest easy knowing that this exceptional brushed brass shower is manufactured to comply with industry standards, including BSEN standards and water supply regulations 1999. Safety is our top priority, which is why the temperature is factory preset to a safe 38 degrees Celsius. Indulge in the ultimate showering luxury with the Nuie brushed brass round thermostatic bar valve and kit. Elevate your daily routine into a rejuvenating experience that will leave you refreshed and revitalized every time you step into your shower. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie showering range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.